guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe down below, give this video a like, and today we're going to be using all affordable products. Now I would say drugstore, but like some of this stuff is, I mean it's technically drugstore, but like the palette is Ulta brand, so even though Ulta is a drugstore, you can only get it in Ulta. You can't go to like Walmart or Rite Aid or something like that and get it. So that's why I say affordable, not drugstore, but Ulta brand is super affordable. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you want to see how I got this look using all affordable products, then just keep on watching. Thank you to Paige Pagano, Miss Bennett, Jennifer Metcalf, and Bashara S for commenting on my last video. I really appreciate you guys' support, and if you're the first person to comment on this video, you will also be shouted out in my next video. I'm sorry, I'm losing my voice. You'll be shouted out in my next video. Also, again, thank you to Paige Pagano for giving me all of these products. Even if you didn't like them, it's still awesome to be able to try these things out. So I really appreciate it, because these aren't necessarily things that I reach for, just because, you know, when you're on the broker side of things, you tend to save your money and only buy the things that you really, 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 really want. And when, you know, not that I don't like Ulta brand, not that I don't like drugstore, it's just, you know, you're saving money for like a big item. You tend not to go for the thing that, you know, well, it's cheaper so I can get it next time, you know, type of thing. I don't know if that's a bad way to think, but yeah. So thank you so much. And, you know, I love that, you know, even though she didn't like it, it's still getting use, and I'm still like repurposing it. I think this palette is amazing. Like, yes, it's super dusty and fallouty, but like that greenish blue, that like teal aqua color, oh my gosh, was it pigmented, like so pigmented, like so pigmented. So today we're going to be testing out a bunch of new products, or they may not be new, but they're new to me. And honestly, this video could be sponsored by Paige, because she gave it all to me. I will link her channel, either a card right here. I will put a little thingamajig where you can see her name right here. This I tried to put on the other day, but I thought it was mascara, so I was like, that's not. It is actually an eyeshadow primer, so we're gonna try it. We'll see. Y'all know how I am. Y'all know I like my e.l.f. Y'all, it's kind of thin. My e.l.f. concealer is nice and thick. This feels kind of oily. This is the CoverGirl Lid Lockup, so we'll see. I don't know how much this is, but my e.l.f. concealer is $5, so even though I use it on my face and my eyes to do like every single step, it is very inexpensive, and honestly it only takes like a little dot on each eye to completely cover them. So it's not like I'm wasting a bunch of product, or this does not layer well on top of itself, just an FYI. So if you're thinking about, oh, and it's sticky. Okay. I'm not so much a fan of that, but we will see. This part could also be sponsored by, you guessed it, Paige, because she gave me all of these palettes. So we're going to dig in and try them all out. They're all Ulta palettes, but there's nothing wrong with that. So you just gotta find what works. We are going to try this palette in, I suppose. I kind of really want to go into this green. It's pigmented, that's for sure. It's just the color that was calling my name. This primer is super sticky, like super sticky. My brush wants to stick to it. Oh goodness. Very pigmented though. So go in another shade. Try a little bit. This shade. These are pillow powdery teal. These are so I think I like the color of that shade better than this shade. Hard to a halo eye. Put a halo. I want to go with gold. want me to order the same one because you like that one better? Or do you want me to get the one you don't like? Because it doesn't have that fuzzy on the top, so it won't wear as quick. Well, I want. Try this out. See how it does. It's a little stiff. And you can. Not enough though. I want like a shine. Just very, very subtle. Vitalist Healthy Glow. Let's try this one that she used and worked the other day. It's also very subtle and it's pretty. So let's dig her in. Layers, they're gorgeous. And these are stunning, gorgeous. Layered, like, see that? Pop it. Just got a layer. That's all it is. Just got here. That's there. Just pop it. So crazy. Note to self: if you put down a wet product such as an eyebrow gel before this product, it will melt. Awesome. My eyebrow pencils creating this because the eyebrow gel, I'm just making a terribleness. Look at a terribleness. I've never done this before, but I'm pretty sure I'm about to, just because I do not like the way this looks. I've never cleaned up my eyebrows, not once. But my eyebrow pencil is left. Can you tell that's there? I also do not have a lip color picked out because I didn't know what I was doing today to my eyes, so we'll see about that. It's so crazy how like eyelashes are like a thing that people do. Eyebrows are a thing that people do. Like people are like, your eyebrows. I don't, that hair on your forehead, I don't like that. The hair on your, attached to your eyelid, I don't like that. You need to change it. Why don't you add some extensions? Or fake ones. And I'm just over here like, what? Let's try this Infallible Actually, I really like this one. Is it too warm? Yeah, I can dig it. Okay, well that's drying. Let's do our bottom lash. I'm gonna go in with that same green. What do you guys think? And I think I'm just gonna leave it just like that. Maybe smoke it just a little. Okay, let's put on some mascara. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Leave a comment down below letting me know what products you like the best out of this look, what products you didn't like, what products you have and would use again, or what products you have and really love out of what I used, and what products you probably would not pick up based off of what I used. So, alright guys, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.